We just arrived. Just woke up here. Where are we?
Koh Samui, I think.
Yeah, Koh Samui. This is my first time. His first time. We just got to the hotel. We left our luggage. Room's not ready, so we're sitting up here by the pool. What is poppin', everyone? My name is Jed, and if you don't know me, I'm currently 21 years old, studying and living in Thailand. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me in this trip. I went with my friend Mikey. It's his first time in Thailand, and this is the second episode. If you haven't seen the first, I brought him to Pattaya, and in this episode I bring him to Koh Samui, which is one of the popular island destinations, which recently got really popular off of the new Netflix series and everything. So it's also my first time in Koh Samui, so we're gonna see together how it is, and I'll bring you guys along with me on the adventure.
I like fishing there. I want to fish the longest river you bring your ball.
So Koh Samui is actually pretty close to a few different islands, and one of those islands is Koh Phangan, which we went to and stayed for one night before returning to Koh Samui again. Oh, we got my pad thai, you already know. My boy, we got his spaghettios over here. My boy's eating good with his garlic bread. And then we got a little cactus, you know. I feel like this is a little romantic, bro. For Valentine's Day tomorrow.
Just wait till your birthday.
What are we doing on my birthday? Wait, what? Look at the view, bro. This is crazy. I haven't even had anything this romantic with my girl. Like, this is crazy. This is like one of those moments where like you're with your bro and you're like, damn, bro. We made it to Koh Phangan. Koh Phangan. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Koh Phangan. But I didn't go to the full moon party. I chickened out. Not really. I got too drunk at the pregame. I got too faded. Yeah, this man ordered a tequila shot, and I was drinking a Singhab already. Plus, I didn't have any sleep. Knocked out, I'm not gonna lie. After that, my man, he went out to the full moon party. How was it? Your experience?
I can't think right now.
Some crazy shit happened.
I want to know.
That's crazy. It's like a full beer there. Is this like an offering? It's a full chang.
Beer?
Yeah, it's a full chang beer.
I think they pissed in it, honestly. That'd be my guess.
That's crazy.
This is fine. They really took their time.
I'll get on the beach at Koh Phangan. What time is it? 6:50 a.m. You know, I just got up. This man, he's been partying, but he took a little bit of a nap.
Yeah, not enough.
Not enough, for sure. Sleep. Little dog. Doggy.
Dog.
Hey, buddy. Key Beach right here. Looks like they had a campfire here. Bro, this man's just chilling in the car. Check that. Okay, now he's scrubbing up the car. Now he's making his seat better.
$500 forward.
Yeah, my hair is all sticking up.
I need a shower and do laundry and get out of town. Thank you.
Thank you.
How long for taxi?
Taxi's coming.
Thank you.
So we're walking by the
This is the
pier.
actual. Oh, this is what
Yeah, this is where they have the fights. Look at this boat behind us here. Yeah, they must have the fights right here. And then look at this massive boat. I don't know what they use this boat for, but they got the boat right here. Oh, what's up? My brother.
Very good.
About to go get some food, something to eat. Is this place open? How was your Koh Samui full moon experience?
Everyone was really nice. There's a lot of Germans.
Yeah.
It's a very nice island. That's about it. I mean, I can't say there's no bad parts about it. It's beautiful here.
What's up? We're on the way back to Koh Samui. You already know. Off Koh Phangan right now. About to head back to Koh Samui. We got our hotel, and maybe we're gonna explore the rest of Koh Samui. Me and Mikey, excited. We chill. You got it? I walked in front of it?
No, they walked in front of it. It was like a 1 second off.
Back to Koh Samui. Look at the view. We're chilling at a cafe. Going to the temple now. Well, see if we can go to the temple if it's open. See what's going on. So we just made it to this little temple on the beach. If you know, this is what they use for cemeteries in Thailand. They put these little things to put the ashes in. Or yeah, they cremate here, so yeah, they put them in these little things. This is a pretty cool cemetery right here on the beach. Then you got the temple right here. Looks like they're gonna put on the roof then. Let's see. So the snake shrine. The shrine for the snakes up there. Then you got like the snake stairs. Wait, that's sick. Hey, look at the snakes. Damn, boy. And right behind. Walk right to the beach. In front of the temple. You just come chill at the temple beach. We're just at the cafe right over here. We made it. Just went up one of the mountains to this viewpoint. We were gonna go over there, but then the hotel denied us, so we're just went up to this little view up here. Palm tree got cut. Watch out for coconuts. There's like a beach down over there. And then it's ahead. You have the ocean. But then behind that way, you can see the other side. See the all sides. It's really nice. It's be a perfect sunset spot. Damn, my boy chilling. We at the coffee bar cafe. My boy chilling right now. Goyan?
This one's my sister.
Like how old is this? Rabbit? Chilling. This guy's chilling in the corner. Big chillin'. We just got to the second hotel. Probably gonna walk to the beach pretty soon, but right now we're just chilling in the pool. And then we're gonna go to the beach and chillax. It's my birthday today, so it's relaxing.
Oh, it's really cold. I didn't expect it.
What? That's sick. Bro. Should we go to those rocks? Is that not the vibe?
That might be the vibe. Holy shit, bro. It's fucking freezing right here.
Yeah, I know.
It comes in waves.
Some spots are warm and some spots are cold. Pulled up to the mall, about to get some food. It's like kind of like the walking street. They got a central mall here. If you don't know in Thailand, they got a lot of central malls, but I didn't know they had one here until recently. I better check it out. Now we're gonna head see the Muay Thai fight tonight. That'll be exciting. So now.
Nous avons deux combattants de Thaïlande, Koh Samui. En the red corner, Mr. Phangan, G1 422.
How you feeling? Going back to Bangkok now?
Sleep.
Sleep. Just checked in. This is the terminal at the Koh Samui airport. We're at gate 1. All outside, chilling, waiting for the plane. You can see all the planes taking off. The Bangkok, waiting for our luggage. So Mikey's taking a nap. I'm gonna go chill at the cafe and get some work done. Just out here on the street waiting for my Wind motorbike to come pick me up. Then we get going.